Afternoon, everybody. This is Jeff from Rust Bucket Valley Garage. As you noticed on the Jeep, one of the rims was broken, and we're looking at that right here. Right here in this area, right here, there's a crack, and it would not take and hold air. But however, the tire is good. So we did a little bit of searching on the internet, and we came up with a vendor who could supply us with a brand new wheel, used to us, but in really good shape. Santa Ana Tire down in Anaheim. They gave us superior service, a real good price on it, and it took less than 24 hours for it to get to us. And then we're at our favorite tire shop here, and this is Baja Tire in Hawthorne, California. It's where we take and get all of our tire work done. And this is a gentleman right here that's going to be changing out our tire. What's your name? What's your name?
Henry.
Henry?
Yeah.
All right, Henry. Right, let's grab this stuff and get it going. All right, loud noises, people. Breaking the bead on the tire on both sides so we can take and get the thing off. Then using a special machine for magnesium wheels. Peels that thing off there like a skin off a banana. Well, you make it look easy. Wow, look at the dent in that thing. This is taking the valve stem out now.
It's a
So-
sensor.
Oh, it's a sensor?
Yeah, for the other wheel.
Oh, okay. Guess that's for the tire pressure monitoring, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. And out with the bad, in with the good. Neat, putting a new sensor in, changing it over. So that little sensor is for TPMS, which is tire pressure monitoring system, which in the mid 2000s, 2008, 2010, they started putting those on all the cars. That was too easy, Henry. Inflating it to size. Okay, putting the valve core back in. They go ahead and inflate the tires without the valve core in it because the air goes in and seals better. Checking it with those little soapy water, see if there's
Oh, right, sir. That's it.
all right. How cool is that? The dynamic duo. It's a Santa Ana tire, it's a Santa Ana wheel, and Baja Tire and Wheel. If you need anything done, those are the go-to people. Hope I've given you some good information there. I hope you have a good day. Please subscribe, hit the notification button when you'll know when we do something next. Thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate it.